Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to replace a light bulb in these shower fixtures. These particular fixtures are kind of cheap and sometimes can be a little stubborn to remove. What we'll do is turn the cover counterclockwise, and at the same time I'll lightly pull downwards as I turn it. If yours has been on there for a while, it might not come off as easily as you'd expect. Just give it a little wiggle as you turn. Now that the cover is off, we'll remove the old light bulb, turning it counterclockwise as well. Then we can add the new light bulb, turning clockwise this time. And finally, we can put the cover back on, and this also can be a little tricky, but there are 3 cutouts on the cover that'll line up with 3 notches inside the fixture. Try to line those up the best you can and turn the cover clockwise to secure it. And you can give it a check to make sure it's on there properly. If you found the video helpful, please give it a thumbs up. Thank you.